Let me introduce our speaker. He is from Philippines. He is smart, handsome, and
Wow.
also very passionate. Please welcome Richard. Let's give him a big hand, please.
Oh, yeah. Thank you so much, Talim Burayon. So you're very well. Oh, thank you so much. So good evening, good afternoon, good morning, because our Zoom meeting is a global Zoom meeting, an English Zoom meeting. So would you please, Sadyang Lim, share my PPT? So I'm grateful tonight to share because here in Korea it's nighttime and also in Philippines as well, and maybe other countries as I heard a while ago. So maybe afternoon or morning. So tonight I'm going to share about Atomy marketing plan or compensation plan. So, and I'm grateful to share to you tonight this topic because, of course, all the topics that discussed by our lecturer, Sajang Nims, here in our Atomy Zoom meeting are all very important. That's why we keep on learning for us to become successful. Okay. Before, as I've said, before earning, there's always an earning, right? Okay, next slide, please. Ayan. Okay, so do you want to earn money in Atomy? I want to hear yes or no.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah, ja, okay, fighting. For us to earn, okay? Do you want to earn money in Atomy? Of course, we answer yes, a big yes, okay? So it's very important. Okay, next slide, please. Yeah. Okay, so like okay. Uh in the big ocean, okay? So you know, in the big ocean there are many kinds of fish, right? Okay, so in the big ocean, pada on the sea, okay, in the big ocean, there are many kinds of fish from the smallest to the biggest, right? So, Atomy is like a big ocean of opportunity. Okay, it's like a big ocean, and it's up for us to catch a lot of fish. If you want just to catch maybe a few, maybe you can use a hook. But if you want to catch many, you need to have a big net, right? Or you can have a big boat for you to catch a lot of fish from the smallest to the biggest. That's also atomy. They're giving us a chance for that. Okay, next slide, please. That's a big opportunity for everyone, okay? Because our CEO, Park Hang-gil, wanted a business that provides opportunity to everyone, okay? And equal opportunity to all people globally. No, from where you are, from where country you are, we are all given an opportunity to become successful from different kinds of walks of life, no? So our status in life, so we are given an equal opportunity to become successful. Okay, so that's very important. Okay, next slide, please. And we know that our business, Atomy, is a global online business. Wow, it's a global online business. Very good because it's an online shopping mall with one code or ID, one server, and global. Wow. So we can access wherever you are once you join Atomy using your one code, or we call that ID, Atomy ID, with one server to all our business partner throughout the world. We can access everyone. So that's good thing, right? And we can use our website free, so you don't need to create your own domain. We call that a website. We call that domain. Then you need to pay for that or have your own domain. But here in Atomy, we can use the website absolutely free. Wow, that's good news, right? So we can use that anywhere, anytime. Okay, so next slide, please. Okay, how to make money with Atomy? The first question, do you want to earn money? Yes. And then now, how to make money with Atomy? So in Korea, otoke. Okay, how? How to earn money. So, like for example, as I've said a while ago, in the big ocean, we are given a chance to catch a lot of fish like Atomy, given opportunity. It's up for us to do our part on how to catch fish. You can use the hook just one by one, you catch fish. And then if you want to have lots of fish, you have to use a net or a big boat, a fishing boat. So this is how the compensation plan help us to understand on how to make money here in Atomy because this is a business. Okay, so my part here is to present tonight about on how to have income. We call that compensation or commission. So how to have that? Okay, next slide, please. So of course, for you to earn, the question how, of course, be a business partner of Atomy. You will not earn, you cannot earn, rather, you cannot earn money if you don't become the business partner. Okay? You first become the business partner and take note, becoming a business partner in Atomy, you don't need any amount to join. Once you decided to join, to be part of the business, you can encode yourself, you can join and absolutely free. Okay, there's no any amount required for us to join the Atomy business. Of course, we are required to have our heart and our passion and to love the products of Atomy. By the way, there are lots of products of Atomy. More or less, there are 600 products in Atomy. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, of course, to join for free, you can start your journey to success, right? Songgongheyo, so we can be successful together. So as a business partner here in Atomy, because our CEO wanted to everyone, all people to join the business to become successful. That's a good news, right? So it's very important, the word success. But for us to become successful, there are also requirements for us. Number one of that is hard work, using your time properly. Okay, so next slide, please. So how to become successful and earn in Atomy? So tonight, I'm going to share to you the 3 P's, or letter P. Start with letter P, the 3 points on how to become successful here in Atomy business. Of course, this is our business. Once you joined already, you have your ID. No, so you have your code globally. You can use that. You can access anywhere. So with one server, because we have only one website of Atomy, and it is global. So here, I'm going to share to you the 3 P's, no? So that for us to become successful here in Atomy business. So another question that I'm going to ask, do you want to become successful? Yes, of course. Okay, so because you're here in this Zoom meeting, because you want to become successful, no? I believe we are on our way to become successful, and most of us here are already successful, right? Okay, next slide, please. Number one. Okay, letter P, number one here is plug in. Okay, okay, but you need to understand how to plug in. It's somehow like electricity. No, you have to plug in. Of course, our Atomy has system. Okay, we have our system. For us to become successful, first comes first in our mind and our hearts to be part of this business, we have to plug in ourselves to Atomy system because our system is very strong and solid. Our company as well, the integrity of our company and the CEO's integrity, everybody. So work it well. And even also our products is absolute quality and absolute price because manufactured by Colmar, right? We know about that, no? When we talk about the introduction of the company. So here, the first letter P is to plug in. No? Plug in yourself to Atomy system. Don't ever say that, oh, I already know that. I'm good enough to for that. So keep on learning because the secret here in Atomy for you to have a lot of earning is by means of learning. Okay, so you have to plug in. It's very easy to remember. Okay, plug in to Atomy system. Although our Atomy says that system plug in, but I'm using the letter P first. Plug in. It's somehow like in electricity, like here in the picture in our PPT, you have to plug in to energize and to have power, right? If you have aircon in your house, so you have to plug in, and then it works. Okay, so that's also the system here in Atomy. You have to indulge yourselves. Okay, you have to give time to learn here in Atomy. Next slide, please. Of course, in this time, we call plug in is the learning the Atomy business. Learning is very important. Okay. So that's why all our partners, no, our sponsors are encouraging everyone to attend seminars. Keep on learning, no? Feed your mind and your heart with all the kind of learnings and love also the products, right? And also, you are also being inspired by the success seminars. I encourage everyone to uh, attend success seminars. No, your partners, your downlines, your lineage. So all the people should uh, learn all this system in Atomy for us to become successful, right? And then we have also Good Morning Atomy. Okay, they can watch YouTube. So there are lots of avenues and there are lots of ways for us to learn many things here in Atomy. So you can watch YouTube, okay, and also our global Zoom meeting also are being uploaded in YouTube, so you can watch that, no? And also there are lots of trainings because that's the secret. Actually, now this is not the secret because you already know about this. Okay, so trainings, train yourself to become successful, right? So by taking time to plug in yourself to Atomy system. Don't ever say that you learn all of that everything because the successful people are all those who keep on learning. Okay, so next slide, please. Of course, it all starts from you, okay, from yourself. So, and then because it's a time for us to duplicate ourselves, keep on learning, and what you learn, you pass it on to your line, to your lineage, to your leaders, because it's very important that it starts from you. You have the passion, you have the courage. You are unstoppable. Wow, that's a good word, right? You are unstoppable no matter what. Keep on moving forward. Nobody can stop you, right? You are unstoppable. So keep on learning. You can read books, no? You can watch YouTube, podcast, anything that keep feeding your mind and your heart to become successful, guys. Okay, so that's very important. Okay, so next slide, please. Okay, so we're here in number two. Okay, what's number one? Plug into Atomy system. So keep that in mind. Okay, all the Sajanians here and all the CEOs and all the business partner. Number two, pursue global lineage growth. You know what? The secret of a lot of earning here in Atomy business is to make your line grow, grow. Okay? That's the motivation. Keep on growing your lineage. Somehow like you have a lot of customers in your business, no? Keep on inviting people. So last time we learned about the 8 steps of success, right? So you have to list down names of people, follow up, so on and so forth. So we learned already that about the 8 steps of success. So here means pursuing. You have a desire to reach globally because uh, Atomy business is unlimited. Okay, so MLM is unlimited. Our business is unlimited. We can add more people globally. It is around the world, from 27 regions, and we are more than 50 countries. Okay, and counting. So it's very important when we use the word pursue, you have a desire to reach people from where they are. Maybe you have your friends in Australia, you have your friends in Japan, in Taiwan, wherever they are. So you can connect to them and pursue. No, you can call them, you can send them a message, a messenger, or whatever, WhatsApp. So any means of communication, that's a part of pursuing, no, to grow your lineage. You know what? That's the secret of a lot of income here in Atomy. Okay, did you hear me right? So from where you are, because we can use only one code or ID here in Atomy. Okay, next slide, please. And of course, to grow our business, of course, as I said, it starts from you, and then left and right, and then we call that binary. Of course, you keep on inviting people, and then a change of lifestyle. It means you love the products, change your product, no, from the products you buy or you bought from the supermarket. Now you are an Atomians. You love the product, of course, from yourself. How you can encourage other people? Hey, you said, oh, it's good, this product, but you yourself are not trying. So you have to try that first yourself, and then you can encourage other people. You can tell to them, oh, you know what, you earn money by shampooing your hair, brushing your teeth, you earn. Wow, it's amazing. Right? So a change of lifestyle. Okay, so I hope when you enter into your shower room, oh, there are lots of Atomy products. Okay, the shampoo, the conditioner, so on and so forth. So and then everything. So you are a certified Atomians. Wow, that's great, right? So a change of lifestyle. That's the secret of a lot of earnings here in Atomy. Next slide, please. Of course, okay, next slide about multiply. Okay, multiply and strengthen. Okay, okay, that's right. Thank you. Multiply and strengthen your lineage, because you know what? It's unlimited level. So you can have your line, Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, so on and so forth. There are lots of countries that Atomy are already open. So as I've said, this is like a big ocean, an opportunity, and it's up for us to catch a lot of fish. If you want only to catch one fish a day, it's up for you. But if you want to catch a lot of fish, it's up also for you. So Atomy would not hinder you, would not say, oh, stop because we have a lot of people. No. So it's unlimited. It's up for you to catch a lot of fish. Okay, so it's unlimited. And from that time on, if you pursue global lineage growth, growing your lineage, I believe that's a time you can have a lot of earnings, because learning first, and then next is earnings. Wow, a lot of earnings. That's why it's plural. I'm using the word earnings. So you can earn daily, you can earn weekly. It's up to you. It's up to our hard work. Okay, so because Atomy is already open for us, the system, anytime, anywhere, you can have that. So if you want to earn daily, it's up for you. And it depends on our hard work. Okay, and it is unlimited. Next slide, please. And always remember, without action, there's no commission. Okay? There's no commission without action. If you are just waiting there to people to come to you, but we need to promote ourselves. We are the model of Atomy products. Okay? That's why there are no billboards out there. You are the model of the Atomy products. Now you tell the other people, hey guys, Atomy is good, so you can try this. So we are the one promoting the product, okay? The Atomy business, because Atomy is very good and it's very solid, okay, company. So promote your business to everyone. Those people who use shampoo, those people who toothbrush their teeth every day. I think all people do toothbrushing their teeth, right? So you can talk to them, and then so on and so forth, cosmetics, so a lots of products that they can use. Okay, so next slide, please. Of course, it is a process of general commission. We all know about this, no? So from left leg, if you have your 300,000 PB, a personal PB first, and then on your left, on your right, if you accumulate that, so that's, we call that the general commission. Okay, so you can have that. The system already have that, but here in Korea, Yukmanon, okay, so 60,000 won. In Philippines, around 2,000 500, and then deducted by the tax and the government. So around, so something 2,200. So it depends on your currency in your country. So that's the basic. That's the commission that we can receive here in Atomy. That every time uh, we accumulate 300,000 on left and right, then you have that commission. Okay, so and then it flashes out into zero after you had received your commission. But your personal PB would remain. Okay, so next slide, please. That's what I said. Okay, the personal PB growth, it would remain from being sales representative. You have your 10,000 PBs because that is required for you to accumulate your group PB. Because without that 10,000 PB from your personal PB, you cannot accumulate your group PB. Okay, so you must have that first, being a sales representative, and then agent. You have your 300,000, that is personal PB, and then going up there, being a special agent, you have your 700,000 PB, and a dealer, you have your 1.5 million, and then up to 2.4 million. That's the ceiling. Okay, that's the maximum PB for our personal. Okay, so PB growth. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, we're now here in number 3. Okay, you heard me right. Okay, the first is to plug in Atomy system. Number 2, pursue global lineage growth. We to call this lineage in Korea. This is our kibudo. Okay, our line. We have to grow it strong. And the number 3 is to plan and power up your team. Okay, so of course, planning every day. You have your plan, and then keep on going and powering up. Okay, empower your team because your anatomy business is a teamwork. So if we have a teamwork, it would make a dream work. We can achieve great things if we work together as a team, especially. That's why we are developing leaders in our team. We are powering them up. Okay, teach them, and then ask them to join the seminars and so forth. All the learnings. You are duplicating yourself. That's the number 8 steps, I think. No, so in steps you are duplicating yourself, and so on and so forth. So that's how you plan a concrete plan. Of course, it's very important that you have your concrete plan and powering up your team. It's very easy to remember, guys, right? So you have to plug into the Atomy system by keep on learning. Number 2 is to pursue global, not just on your area, but global. Think maybe you have your friends out there, so on and so forth. And then here, that's the planning is very important. So not to plan to fail. Okay? Because without plan, it's something that you're planning to fail. But very important that you have your concrete, absolute planning, okay, and powering up your team, no, or the people in your line. Okay, so because here it comes about the mastership promotion. Okay, so and then we will talk about here in the next slide about our mastership promotion. Next slide, please. Okay, so of course here it's very important because we're coming up here in this part of the mastership, and we'll talk about the 7 level of mastership here in Atsumi. So a lot of earnings here. So of course, if you challenge yourself to become a sales master, you have to choose a cycle. That's why there's a planning. Everything should be planned. That's what also a challenge to myself and everyone. Once you challenge yourself to become a sales master, it should have a concrete plan. So this something like that, because for you to become sales master, so you have a lot of requirements of PB. So next, we will find that in the next slides. So first cycle is from 1st to 15th of the month, and the second cycle, 16 to 31 of the month. That's important. We call that planning if you want to become successful. Okay, so next slide, please. Okay, here about the mastership bonus. We know that there are different levels of mastership, from sales master, diamond master. So we are all memorized here because we always hear from these: the Sharon Rose Master, Star Master, Royal Master, Crown Master, and Imperial Master. Right. So that's our goal. That's why we wrote down in our life scenario. So all of these are planned. So you become Imperial Master someday. How many years you want that to achieve? So it should have a concrete goal and concrete plan. So planning is very important, right? So and all of that information there. So how many percent from that? So we already know about that part. Okay, so that we call that the mastership bonus, or the level of mastership. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, of course, here, uh, for you to challenge yourself, become a sales master, of course, you are required to have your 700,000 PB for your personal PB. And on your left, you're required to have 2.5 million PB. And on your right, you have your 2.5 accumulated PB. That is a group PB. And then if you reach that PB is required and your personal, then you will become a sales master, a new sales master, right? So you are being promoted and you will receive these incentives here. Okay, so Hey Muhim, the famous care set, evening care set. So this already in the Atomy system. Okay, right? That's why I said you have to plug in yourself to keep on learning everything, because what our part here in Atomy is our hard work, because the system has already prepared. It's like an ocean that there are lots of fish in there. So it's our part to plug in ourselves, to do our part, because the system is already concrete and already strong and being established concretely. Okay, so and all of these are already in Atomy system. Just to plug in yourself and have all these requirements for you to become sales master. Next slide, please. So, and then the next level is Diamond Master. Okay, you are now a new Diamond Master. So, for you to become a Diamond Master, you are required to have two sales master on your left and two sales master on your right. So you have to encourage your downline. Hey guys, so it's time for you to step up and become sales master. So if you have that two sales master on your left and then two sales master on your right, now you become a new Diamond Master. Wow. So you will have the speech in the success seminar. And you will receive this mastership promotion. Okay, a cash of $800. Okay, cash and Hemuhim, okay, Fame Skincare set and Evening Care set. So as I've said, there's already in Atomy system. You can have all these incentives, the promotion of becoming a Diamond Master. Okay, the next level of mastership. Next slide, please. Okay, so let's go on to the next level, the Sharon Rose Master. Okay, so you are required to have a two Diamond Master on your left and a two Diamond Master on your right. So, and then if you have these requirements for you to become a Sharon Master, now you are declared and certified a new Sharon Rose Master. Yes, and you have this promotion and incentives of $2,000. So you can calculate that in your own currency. The cash awards and voucher of travel. Wow, that's great, right? So you can travel. So we are given all these from the Atomy system. So to compensate all our hard work. Wow, that's great. This is a good company that all our hard work are being compensated here in Atomy. Wow, that's great, right? So you are now a new Sharon Rose Master. Okay, next slide, please, for another level of mastership. So now the next is Star Master, right? A new Star Master. So for you to have that, you are required to have a two Sharon Rose Master on your left and a two Sharon Rose Master on your right. And you will receive these incentives here, uh, $10,000. So in dollars, you can calculate that in your own currency if you're in Philippines. So from where you are, because our business is a global, and then you have your overseas travel. Wow, you enjoy what you invested here in Atomy, your hard work, your time, your effort. So now it's a time for you to enjoy all the harvest. Yes, that's right. So Atomy is good, right? Once you do your best. So Atomy is already there, the system for you to enjoy all your hard work, the harvest of your hard work. Oh, that's great. Okay, next slide, please. The next level of mastership is the Royal Master. Yeah. So that's good. You are now a new Royal Master with two Star Master on your left and two Star Master on your right. So you are declared and certified Royal Master. So, and then you have all these incentives here, $50,000 voucher, and then you have your every month $2,000 and mid-sized vehicles, and so forth. So, as I've said, all of these incentives are already in Atomy system. Okay, so it's good, right, to have all this, and it's because we are motivated all of this that our hard work at the end of the day we have all these. Okay, next slide, please. The next level of mastership is, wow, the Crown Master, right? The Crown Master is the next level of mastership. So becoming a new Crown Master, you have your two Royal Master on your left and two Royal Master on your right. Just only two, right? Just encourage your lineage. That's why you have to have a lot of people on your line for them to encourage. Okay, who will be the next in line, right? So you can choose those leader who are also willing to become successful together with you. That's why it's called Hamke Songgongyo. Together we become successful, right? Together. No one be left behind. Together. Together we stand and become successful. Songgongyo, right? Hamke Songgongyo. Okay, together we become successful. And then you have all these incentives, cash awards of 300,000, okay, dollars. We talk about dollars. And then voucher, okay, overseas travel, then full-size vehicles, and so forth. And then you have your every month of $5,000. Wow, that's great, right? So are you happy for that? That's why we talk about earnings. Here in compensation, once you plug in yourself, you pursue a global lineage growth, and you plan and empower your team. I believe all this level you can reach on the top. And then the last level, next slide, please. Now the new Imperial Master is you. Okay, you can write down your name. I am a new Imperial Master. So that's our motivation, right? So, but you must have a two Crown Master on your left and a two Crown Master on your right. Okay, and you have all these incentives. $1 million. Wow, that's great. That's a big amount. Voucher, a travel. So you enjoy because now you are a new Imperial Master. You can say that to yourself every day. I am a new Imperial Master, right? So you are motivated. Feed your mind with good thoughts, right? Empower yourself. That's why plan and power up your team. how you can power up your team if you don't have the power. Okay, so you have the power. That's why you drink himuhim shot. Okay, and himuhim and no, so all of that. So very important. Okay, so you are now an imperial master. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, so a total, no, from Diamond Master to Imperial Master, you will receive just only incentives, guys. Okay, so a cash promotion of total $1.3 million. Wow, so amazing. That's a great and a big amount. And I ask you, it is possible? Yes, it's possible to those who believe and do the hard work. So that's very important, guys, to motivate ourselves. Okay, next slide, please. So if others, you can read on the screen because I'm almost to end this presentation. If others are already on the top, because we have already Imperials, no, Crown Masters, so on and so forth, all the mastership that I've discussed a while ago. So if others are already on the top, why can't you? If others make it, why can't you? Right? So why can't you and why can't I? Who holds me? We have the freedom. There's a big ocean of opportunity in Atomy, and it's up for us to catch a lot of fish. It's up for us to join a lot of people. So in our line, because it's unlimited. Atomy will not stop you. Hey, you have a lot of people on your line. No, because it's unlimited. So if others are on the top, why can't you? Why can't I? We can do it. Alsuita, we can do it. I can do it. We can do it. Yes? Yes, we can do it. Next slide, please. Okay, this is the second to the last PPT. Success is possible in Atomy. If you, this a review, success is possible in Atomy if you, what? Plug in to Atomy system. Plug into Atomy system. That's the first letter P. Number 2, pursue global lineage growth. You have to make your lineage, your kibudo, strong and growing, right? Growing every day. Grow, 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 grow. Okay? So, and then number 3, plan and power up your team. So you have to call your team, you have to empower them, you have to ask them, hey, let's go to the Good Morning Atomy, let's go to the success seminars and so forth to power up, right? So that's very important. Okay, next slide, please. Wow, is to say thank you to everyone. You are now a new Imperial Master. Thank you, everyone, and God bless.